Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Wear OS application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see this page with your Axial watch. Once you see this page, scroll down, find the option called Advanced Settings and tap on it. And here you should see the button called Disconnect and the name of your watch. Tap on this button, tap on Disconnect. The watch will disappear from the app. Now we can close the application. Open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. And in the Bluetooth menu, you will see the list of devices called My Devices. On this list, you probably will see the Axial watch. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device. And once it disappears from the My Devices, close the settings. And also the watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. Okay, and at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.